Let's make an easy dinner for under $12. Start off with your flour tortillas for $1.34, 2 cans of refried beans for $1 each, a bag of Fiesta blend cheese for $1.97, 2 cans of our red enchilada sauce for $1.08 each, a packet of taco seasoning for 47 cents, 1 yellow onion for $1.14 a pound, and sour cream for $1.74. Okay, we poured one of our cans of our red enchilada sauce in our 9x13, and we're kind of just making sure that it coats that entire bottom, and then we can place this to the side. Now we have our flour tortillas, and these are the soft taco size, and we're gonna use a couple of these, but let's start off with 2. We have the refried beans that we got, and we have a cookie scoop. And we're gonna do about 3 scoops of our refried beans in each tortilla. This is gonna be a super easy, super delicious dinner for under $10. Mexican inspired, which is my favorite kind of dinner. Now we are doing beans today, but you could do a ground beef or a chicken. I just love refried beans and they are super affordable. Perfect. But we do want to season up our beans a little bit, so we have our taco seasoning, and we want to make sure that we don't put too much on each one because we want to make sure we have enough for all of our tortillas. Now for a little bit of a crunch, we have our yellow onion that we diced up, and we're just going to do a nice little sprinkle of our yellow onion on here. If you don't like yellow onion, you can do a green chili, a jalapeno, but I love my onions. Now we have our Fiesta blend, and just like what you did with the onions, don't put too much on here because we need to make sure we save it for all of our tortillas, but we are just making sure that we get a nice little bit of cheese with our beans. Perfect. And I'm just gonna grab my spatula and kind of pat this down so that it's not just a big lump in the middle of our tortilla, and we are just gonna make sure that that looks nice and set, and then we can go ahead and kind of roll our tortillas just like so. It doesn't need to be too tight. Kind of make sure those onions stay in there and just roll it up just like so. Perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna move these right into our enchilada sauce because we are making bean and cheese enchiladas, right? So yummy. So let's make up a couple more. All right, we were able to fit 6 in our 9x13, but we do have a couple extra ingredients. So if you needed more than 6, you would have plenty of ingredients. Now we're coming in with our second can of our red enchilada sauce. Now you can do the green enchilada sauce. It is the same price and it's just as tasty. It just depends on what kind of enchiladas you like. But that looks absolutely perfect, and we had a lot of leftover Fiesta blend cheese, and like I say with everything, you can do whatever kind of cheese you like, you can do whatever kind of sauce, whatever kind of meat. I am just giving you a ground base for an easy, affordable recipe that you can adjust to your liking. And we're gonna add a nice layer to this, but like I said, we have some extra ingredients, so I don't want to use all of the cheese. I want to make sure that I have some if I need to make a couple more of those enchiladas. But that looks absolutely delicious. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, these look absolutely incredible.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm excited. Now, last but certainly not least, we have our sour cream. Now you could top this with some avocado, some cilantro. The options are endless, but I just have to have sour cream on my enchiladas. That is a non-negotiable. And we're just kind of scooping it right in the center of our 9x13 because everyone in my family loves sour cream, so I know they're all gonna want some on their enchiladas. All right, let's dig in. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna start with 1 and I'm gonna go back for seconds, but I want to get right in there, get my beans and my cheese and my onions.
Is it good?
Wow, that is absolutely incredible. You guys are gonna love this.